This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Pomodoro Technique for studying. First, understand that Pomodoro is a time management method that breaks down work into focused intervals, traditionally 25 minutes long, separated by short breaks. This structured approach helps maintain concentration and boosts productivity. It's a simple yet powerful way to tackle your study tasks without feeling overwhelmed, making your learning more effective and enjoyable. To begin, select one specific study task you want to accomplish during your Pomodoro. This could be reading a chapter, solving problems, or reviewing notes. Next, ensure your environment is free from distractions. Put your phone on silent and close unnecessary browser tabs. Finally, set a timer for 25 minutes. During this time, commit to working solely on your chosen task without interruptions. This dedicated focus is key to the technique's success. Once your 25-minute work interval ends, it's crucial to take a 5-minute break. Step away from your desk, stretch, or grab a glass of water. Avoid engaging in mentally demanding activities during these short breaks. After completing 4 Pomodoro cycles, which is 2 hours of work, reward yourself with a longer break, typically 15 to 30 minutes. This longer pause helps you recharge fully before starting your next set of focused study sessions. To truly maximize your study time, reflect on your progress during your longer breaks and adjust your next tasks as needed. Consistency is paramount. The more you practice the Pomodoro technique, the more natural and effective it becomes for your studying habits. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your sessions. A good water bottle can make a big difference. For a great option, check the description below for a link to the Oala water bottle, along with other helpful deals to boost your productivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.